Once our customer sign our quote, then we will want to plan some next activities for this lead. For example, we'll want to generate a material list for our installers, or we will want to generate some installation document with the design of the PV system that we created and all the material list that need to be taken with to the installation. Or we want to plan some different events for the lead, like inspection on site, like installation, or in the future like a service of the PV system. So it is also possible within our system. So therefore, we will need to use our installation module. So basically, to go to the installation module, we will need to find out the lead that we want to plan, and we can just click on the name of the lead and go to the profiles page, and over here go to installation. Or second possibility, when we are working in the list overview, then we can simply click on the installation over here, and then we are landing directly on the installation page. So first of all, when we scroll down over here, we can see the material list that was added into the installation page based on the quote that we created. We can also add some extra materials when we need it. We can choose over here something extra, click on plus, and then it will be added to the material list. Then on the bottom of this page, we have the possibility to generate the material list. So just clicking on this button. So the material list was created, and click on it. And now we can see how the material list looks like. So basically, the template of the material list is fully adjustable. Yeah, that is just an example that we are giving to our customers, but the customer has also the possibility to change it if he wants to. So then we have also the possibility to generate the installation document for our installers. So just click on this button. So the installation document was created. So now we can open it. And basically the difference between installation document and material list is now in the installation document, we can see the material list, and on the second page, the design that our installers also know, okay, how we plan it, how they need to place it on the roof. And here, same as a material list, this is a default document that we're giving to our customers, but it is also fully adjustable. So the customer can change here everything if he need to. Another possibility that we have in our installation module, so when we using our planning module, then we will see on the top of the installation side the possibility to plan some events. So for example, I have here the DC installation, the AC installation. I can also plan the inspection from here or the service. The customer can add as many event types as he wants. And basically, when we want to plan right now one of these events for this lead, we just need to click on the event type that we want to plan. For example, we want to plan the DC installation for this lead. So I'm just clicking on this button over here, and the system brings me directly to our planning module. So in the planning module, what we can see over here on the left side, we are seeing firstly all the teams that we added into our planning tool, and we can see also where the teams are based. For example, I have here 2 teams in Düsseldorf, 2 teams in Wuppertal, 1 team in Dortmund. So then on the right side, we are seeing all the leads where the installation needs to be planned. And we can now simply choose which one we want to plan and then plan it. So basically we are seeing over here our lead, it's already checked because I went to the planning tool directly from this lead. So then here on the bottom, we have also a few possibilities to change the view of the calendar. So we can work in the horizontal view. We can also change it to the vertical view. We can also change it to the list. Here we can choose between 3 different views like day, week, or month. And over here we can pick up some specific day that we want to plan. And with this arrows, we can just simply switch between the days or the weeks. It's depend on in which view we are working currently. Then to plan this lead, as I said, our lead is already checked in because I went to the planning tool directly from this lead. But when we want to change it, we can also check it out and check in another lead that we want to plan. And now we can choose which team should do this installation on which day. Yeah? Another cool feature what can help us with planning the installations. So we can see over here on the top what is workload of our teams. Yeah, so for example, we can see on first day the workload is 22%. Yeah, so then we can just go to the team that we are thinking will fit best for this installation and go on the day that we want to plan. For example, we can see the team DC have already some work on this day. So, and the team DC from Dortmund not. And when we decide to plan it for the team DC from Dortmund, we can just click on this plus over here, and then we will see this pop-up window. So the system is showing us also here what will be the traveling time for this team. For example, this team will need 24 minutes to travel to the project address. So we can add over here event title, or we can also create a default event title for those kinds of events. Then we can choose over here the head mechanic. We can choose over here the event type. It is a DC installation, inspection, service, AC installation. Then the duration of the installation. We can also set a default duration for this kind of installation. Then the start date and the end date. Here what it is for the lead one more time. Here the event status unconfirmed, and here our system is able to send also an email to the customer. In this case, we connected the event type DC installation with the email for confirmation of DC installation. So, and this email including the information for our customer that we want to come to him to do the installation on this day and this time. In this email, the customer get also the possibility to confirm this appointment or to decline it. Now, when all of this information are correct, we can simply click on save. So now the system is asking also if the status of the lead should be changed. And we can choose over here, yes, we want to change the status to installation appointment proposed or not. So I'm choosing yes right now. And the installation was planned for the DC team from Dortmund. Now we can see over here it is 23 kilometers, and the team will need to start at 6:36 to be there at 7 a.m. So the travel time is 23 minutes. And in the meantime, the customer got the email with the information that we want to come to the installation at this day, at this time, and he had also the possibility to agree or decline it. This is how the appointment confirmation page looks like. So basically, when the customer gets the email with the appointment notification, he can click on a button, and then he will see this page, and he has 2 possibilities. He can accept this appointment or he can decline this appointment. So when he declines it, he will always need to write here a reason. Why is that? And when he accepts it, then he needs just to confirm it, and the appointment is confirmed right now. So when we go back to our planning tool, then we can see the color of the event over here change. So, and that's meaning that the appointment is confirmed by customer. Also, one more thing. So the lead was moved automatically from the folder plan installation to the folder plan installation confirmed. So right now we can find the lead over here. That was the first possibility, how we can plan the different events. So through the installation page. We have also the possibility to go to the planning tool, to our planning module, directly from the dashboard, from the navigation here. So we have over here the installation planning. When we click on it, then the system will bring us directly to the planning tool. And as I said, we can see right now on the right side over here all the leads where the installation need to be planned, and we can simply choose between these leads. For example, we want to plan right now this one, and on the same way we can plan the installation of these leads. The same is for every other event type. When we go to the profile page and one more time to installation, we can do the same with the inspection, with the service in the future, and so on.